My entire face is on already, so all that remains is pretty much the new mascara that I've been dying to try out. This has been all over social media and YouTube, and influencers have been heavily pushing this. So I kind of wanted to give it a try, you know. YouTube sold me on it. So here's the outer packaging. It has a, I guess, retirement stamp of 6 months. Overall packaging is really nice and soft touch. This is the explicit black. Ooh, the packaging of the actual tube is really sick though, because it does have the little divots in between. And it does say Nars Climax right in the middle. And let's see what the little wand looks like. So this is the wand. It's quite bushy. It does have a little bit of excess product at the tip, which I'm not usually very fond of, but I think a lot of mascaras do that. It looks like they're rubber bristles, so at least it jabs you in the eye. It's not going to hurt that bad. So let's put this puppy on and let's see what it does for my eyelashes. Let me zoom you guys in. So this is just one coat. I'm going to go back into the tube and put on a second layer and see what that does. So this is the mascara on both eyes. It is quite a wet formula, so that's a bit of a turn off. Just because whenever you are applying, it does kind of smear all over the place. So now I have to let this sit for a couple of minutes, and then I'll just kind of wipe it off with a little Q-tip. But overall, I like the thickness and kind of crazy volume that it gave me. It's not overly volumizing, but it is quite lengthening. I already do have relatively long eyelashes, so this kind of takes that and kind of goes boom, amps it up a bit. So overall, I do like it. It's not my favorite. It's a good mascara if you need a mascara, but I think you could find plenty of really good ones at the drugstore. So this is definitely not something I will be repurchasing, because I believe it was $24 or $28 somewhere within that. I'll kind of tag the little price tag somewhere in the image. It's a good mascara. I like the wand, but I wish the formula was a little bit thicker. So whenever you are applying, you don't have smears all over the place and you have to go clean up after. But it's fine. It's not living up to the hype that I've been seeing, definitely. So just a quick review on my thoughts on this new Nars Climax Mascara. It's definitely kind of a thumbs up or down, depends on what you need. If you, like I said, if you need a mascara, give it a try, but there's plenty at the drugstore that do way better than this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you will comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!